Welcome to a fresh look at some exciting new features in Premiere Pro, designed to make your editing experience smoother, faster, and more intuitive than ever before. Let's start with the Properties panel. This is a powerful new tool that's both smart and intuitive, bringing the most essential tools right where you need them. The context-aware design means that as you work with video, audio, text, or graphics, Premiere Pro displays only the relevant controls for your current task. No more searching through menus. Everything's organized in one single panel. And now, for the first time, you can modify the properties of multiple clips simultaneously. Whether you're adjusting colors, scaling, or applying effects, this new panel saves time and makes your workflow far more efficient. Premiere Pro also debuts a refreshed modern design. Choose from two dark modes, a light mode, and a high contrast accessibility mode to customize your workspace. This flexibility allows you to select the mode that best fits your environment and your personal preference. Whether you're working in a bright room or a dimly lit studio, there's a mode that enhances visibility and comfort. With cleaner fonts and improved typography, the new design also brings greater consistency across Adobe Creative Cloud apps, so you'll feel at home as you move between them. It's all about giving you more time to create and less time trying to relearn interfaces. Starting a new project is now simpler than ever, thanks to the new project creation dialog. This streamlined process allows you to quickly name your project, select storage options, choose a template, and adjust project settings, all within a single window. You can even skip the import mode to dive directly into editing, perfect for when you need to get started on your timeline right away. And for all the Canon users out there, we have expanded Canon support. Premiere Pro now allows native editing of Canon EOS C80 files, so you can import your footage and start working instantly, no transcoding required. These updates are all about making Premiere Pro more accessible, adaptable, and efficient. Whether you're a beginner or a seasoned editor, these tools are designed to help you get the most out of every editing session. Thanks for watching, and happy editing with the all-new Premiere Pro.